Florida'da Daytona Beach Polis Departmanı'ndan ihbar alan birkaç polis olay yerine gidiyor ve olay yerinde silahlı çatışma gerçekleşiyor. Olay sırasında bir polis memuru göğsünden vurularak yaralanırken, silahlı saldırgan olay yerinde vurularak hayatını kaybediyor. Vurulan polis memuru ise olay yerine gitmeden önce giydiği çelik yelek sayesinde hayatta kalıyor. İyi seyirler dostlar.
Which apartment is it?
Hello. Michael in the house? Michael Green?
I don't know.
No? Who's in the house with you?
I wasn't even in the house. I just
You don't
came
live
from
here?
upstairs. I do live here, but it's I don't know
You don't know?
Michael Green.
Can I go like that?
Yeah, I don't know Michael Green.
Okay.
Listen. If he's in there, you need to tell
I
us.
don't know a Michael Green.
Okay,
About
who-
Michael Anthony Harris.
Hey, sir,
I don't
she
know
don't live
that
there.
name.
I mean, she
I
stayed
don't
up. The
know
girl,
that
the
name.
girl inside
I don't
of
know.
a light-skinned girl, and the dude that's with the gun. I
Okay.
think he ended up, or he just jumped out the
What?
window. I'm not sure.
Okay. Can you open this door for me, please?
His name is Michael Harris. They call him Michael Mike. Michael Mike. Anna Mike.
Anna Mike.
Yeah.
Let me get away from this door. I step
I
aside.
don't know. It may be unlocked. I don't have my keys.
You got a key.
I'm checking my keys.
Police department, show me your hands! Hands! Hands!
He's in that door.
Hands! Go! Ah! Ah, fucker! Put the gun down!
Hands up! Put your hands up!
Hands up! Ah! I'm hit.
All right, we got it. We got it. Hey, one of these phone guys is hit.
Open that door!
Who else we got in there?
Hey, the woman that's screaming, you need to put your hands up right now and open that door.
Get back, get back.
Fucking shit.
Here, watch out.
Hey,
He's closing the door. That's me, that's me.
open the door right now. We're not gonna shoot you. Open the door.
Open the door. We're not gonna shoot. Open the door.
He's in front of the door.
He's in front of the door.
He's not. Listen. Look, you're supposed to open my hand. You're supposed to open my hand.
Okay, I see your fingers. Shut the door open.
Listen.
Just come to the side of my voice. Follow me.
Okay.
All right, she's coming out. She's coming out. Come to me, sweetie. Come to me. Yeah, I got you. Come to me. Come to me. I'm not shooting. Come to me. Come to me. Get out the door. All right, right out the door. I'm coming out. I'm coming out. Run. Yo, secure her. Secure her.
Where is he at? Who can see him?
She's down in front of the door.
Get out of the doorway!
Yesterday. God, listen to me. Please call the ambulance. Call the ambulance, please. Please call the ambulance.
Yeah, you good, boss?
Hey, I'm hit in the chest.
You want to back out of here?
Nah, no, I'm getting this fucker.
Oh, we got them, boss.
Contact of a suspect description.
He's in the back of the room blocking the door.
You got eyes? I don't see anything from this side.
Show me your hands!
Son of a bitch.
Show me your hands right now!
They're both on.
Yeah, don't go to it.
Don't go to that window.
Hey, I need you to stack a bomb, you alright?
All right, coming up.
Let's keep the radio chatter down for now, please.
You got gloves on you, boss? I can start in their name.
No, I got no gloves on me. Fuck this guy.
You okay?
I got hit in the chest. I'm good, man.
Come in. Come out here so we can get you help.
He's all right. I got this. Go. I got this. You good?
Motherfucker.
Come out here so we can get help.
7921.
I got him out. He's coming out.
No, I'm hit in the chest.
Seriously?
Where you at?
For all three. I need your officer.
Ve gördüğünüz gibi polis arkadaşımız göğsünden vurulmasına rağmen zanlıyı etkisiz hale getirdi. Ve birazdan tedavi altına alınacak. Buraya kadar izlediğiniz için teşekkürler. Gelecek videolarda görüşmek üzere.